You know you qualify for R&D tax credits, but how should you prepare your claim? Consultant, software, or DIY? Each approach has different costs, risks, and benefits. Let's break it down honestly. Full consultancy means end-to-end service, technical interviews, documentation, HMRC liaison, and usually inquiry defence. Fees typically run 15 to 25% of your claim value. This often makes sense if you're claiming across multiple complex projects, your team lacks bandwidth, or you've faced HMRC inquiries before. Software tools guide you through the claim process step by step. They're significantly cheaper, typically £3,000 to £5,000 as a base fee. You do more work in-house, but you get structure and usually some support. This works well if your R&D is straightforward, you have capacity internally, or you're comfortable with digital tools. DIY means no direct fees. You keep your entire claim value, but don't underestimate the hidden costs. There's up to 40 hours of staff time for the first claim, plus the risk of getting it wrong. DIY works if your claim is small, you have someone who understands HMRC's requirements, or you successfully claimed before. Here's what matters most. HMRC inquiry rates have risen, with 6.5% of claims flagged in the most recent stats. Your approach needs to deliver compliance, not just cost savings. There's no universal answer. It depends on your complexity, capacity, and risk tolerance. The right choice for a small startup won't be the same as for a £50 million manufacturer.